Are you looking for the best rolling toolbox in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best rolling toolbox that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt Deep Rolling Toolbox. Our first pick for the best rolling toolboxes is the DeWalt Deep Box on Wheels Mobile Storage, which delivers everything you'd need from a toolbox without demanding you break the bank. It's large and durable, which makes it ideal for the job site, but still easy to maneuver with the 7 wheels and telescopic handle that doesn't interfere with storage, giving you the maximum capacity. If this maximum capacity isn't enough for you, the toolbox is compatible with other DeWalt stackables, and even if you are happy with the capacity, you'll probably love it so much you'll want to buy these additional boxes. Anyway, there's space to large tools, small tools, and the removable tray makes it easy to carry bolts, nails, and additional accessories which are always needed, but also a challenge to find in cluttered toolboxes. Up next in the 4th place is the KER Master Loader Portable Plastic Rolling Toolbox. The product that offers the best value in mobile tool storage is the KER Master Loader Portable Plastic Rolling Toolbox, which is a mouthful, sure, but the time you spend telling people what it is, you'll also save in convenience, mobility, and satisfaction, all at a fantastic price. This robust little marvel on wheels is deceptive in its durability, and combines both strength with a lightweight construction that makes it easy to carry in and out of the van, and saves you struggling upstairs ever again. Your items will be safe, as the Keter boasts a central locking system that ensures safety and security when on site. And when you open it, like a treasure chest of success and simplicity, you'll find an internal tool divider that keeps everything neat and tidy. Not only is this nice to look at, it'll also increase productivity by limiting time burrowing into the base. The 3rd product on our list is the Stalwart Heavy Duty Rolling Toolbox. The Stalwart Heavy Duty Rolling Toolbox is an excellent option for those who spend more time off-site than they do on. The large capacity gives you plenty of storage options, and it might just be the most comprehensively equipped mobile toolbox we've selected. Inside, you'll find 24 small compartments including removable tool trays and a deep bottom compartment for larger tools. There are also hooks attached to the unit, which makes cable organization something you won't dread doing, and also gives you the option for arranging tape and additional small supplies. For easy access, you can lift out the tray and grab tools as soon as you need them instead of wasting time searching around in the depths of your compartments and getting ever more frustrated. Second on our list is the DeWalt Mobile Work Center Rolling Workshop. The DeWalt Mobile Work Center Rolling Workshop fantastically combines size and the durability except the handle. But more on that soon. But also not too cumbersome that you loathe to take it for a spin. It offers 4 levels of storage options, which means there's plenty of space for tools, accessories, snacks, and more tools, and allows you to throw, or we guess neatly, carefully place inside. Tools are expensive, you know. Your things inside without battling with the lid to keep it closed. Speaking of opening and closing, it boasts a single front pull-up latch design, which is sturdy and reliable and allows you to clip open or closed with ease. When working on a job, this also makes it easy to access whatever you need without digging through a mountain of tools, increasing efficiency and saving you precious time as you don't need to disassemble the toolbox like you do with others. There are also drawers which pull out smoothly with ball-bearing slides that ensures they won't get stuck or jammed, no matter how heavy the load. Finally, the top product on our list is the XtremepowerUS Rolling Tool Bag. With a name like XtremepowerUS, you'd be forgiven for expecting eagles to flock out the pockets and fireworks to soar into the workshop whenever you use this. And while the XtremepowerUS Rolling Tool Bag regretfully doesn't do this, it's still a decent little rolling toolbox or bag for small jobs and easy mobility around the house. While it's not constructed with polypropylene or stainless steel, instead favoring polyester, it's still a durable choice, perhaps more durable than plastic, as it's less likely to crack when dropped or suffers something dropping onto it. This material is still water resistant too, so you'll not need to run for cover should the heavens open on the way to a job. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.